Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So summer is here and our skin is going for a toss completely. So I have come out with some really easy summer skincare, face and body hacks that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So my first tip is to use blotting paper, and if you don't have blotting paper then you can just DIY your own blotting paper. So you take tissue papers like this, just fold it the way I'm showing you and just cut it with scissors. You can keep this in a pouch and carry it in your bag every day, but it is very important to blot away all of the sweat that sits on your face, because the pollution and dirt mixed with sweat actually clogs your pores, which actually causes pimples and acne on your face. So my second tip is to use a charcoal face mask just on your T-zone. So take your charcoal face mask and mix it with rose water. Now I do this at least 4 times a week, especially when I've stepped out and come back home. That is because this pulls out all of the dirt and pollution that's clogging my pores and keeps my pores really clean. This also has Fuller's Earth and kaolin clay in it, so it's really good in purifying your skin. Now I think in the summer for your hair and skin, aloe vera is very important to use. I split that and I remove all of the pulp really well. Then I take it in a grinder and I mix 2 teaspoons of rose water in this. Then remove this mixture and put it in an ice tray. And then just put this inside the freezer. And once it forms an ice cube, start rubbing this on your skin, and trust me, I do this every day. It really calms my skin down, it brings a glow and sheen to my skin, and it's just so cooling in the summer. Both aloe vera and rose water are amazing, especially if you've gone out, you've got a sunburn and you've come back and your skin is really red and irritated. Please try this, it'll really make a big difference to your skin. And then I follow it up with the Mamaearth Natural Radiance Day Cream with SPF 20, because it's very important to wear SPF throughout the day, even though if you're sitting at home. This is very natural, it is free of parabens and silicone. This has pomegranate and moringa oil in it. It's also very nourishing for the skin at the same time. It's very lightweight in consistency, and that is why I like it. Mamaearth is also plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. If you guys like these products and would like to get a 20% off, then you guys can use my code PRETTY20. Another thing we face in the summer is that we get these yellow stains because of our deodorant or perfume that we've been using. So to get rid of this, you have to take a lemon and squeeze all of the juice on the stain first. Let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes and then put it in your washing machine. The lemon will get rid of the stains instantly, and once you put it in the washing machine, your clothes are gonna look fresh as ever. Now this hack is for somebody who gets a lot of shoe bites and that leaves a lot of marks on your feet. What you have to do is take a potato. With a knife, just keep opening it up so that all of the juice comes out. Then take a little bit of salt. Mix that together and start rubbing this on your feet. The combination of potato juice and salt is really good to get rid of any sort of marks and uneven skin tone that you have on your feet. This also works well on the dry parts of your feet, so you can also use this on your ankles or anywhere where you feel it is dry. Hack 6 is to use gel-based products, especially in the summer. Now gel-based products are actually water-based in consistency and they're very lightweight in texture, so they get easily absorbed into the skin. They contain fewer oils than moisturizers that are cream-based, and that is why I always prefer using gel-based products in the summer. So after that face wash, I follow it up with the Mamaearth Overnight Repair Night Cream. Now I love this night cream because it is very lightweight and completely water-based. Again, it is free of parabens and silicone, and this one is for brightening and foaming. It also has collagen, saffron and daisy flower in it. Like you can see, it is so gel based and it got absorbed into my skin really well. So I pump out a little bit of this and I apply this really well on my face and neck. And then with the palms of my hand, I just try pushing the product in, because there's heat which actually helps in better penetration of the cream into your skin. Now this hack is in case you get a lot of blisters and shoe bites like me. What I do is I take my deodorant stick and I just apply this on the corners of my feet, and then I slip my feet into my shoes. Not only does my foot go into the shoes really fast, but it also prevents a lot of blisters and shoe bites. Now the last hack is in case you get a lot of rashes on your skin. The acidic content in apple cider vinegar actually helps counter skin infections or any sort of skin allergy that could be causing or aggravating your problem. Now just put this mixture on your rash, let it be there for about 15 minutes and then rinse it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these hacks. Do try them out in the summer. I am very sure it's going to help you out. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.